Hey you guys, we back at the place again. Shh. I'm Clyde Demerell, first time casting adventures, and I got my buddy with me.
My name is Patrick, and my channel is Paul Man's Bassing.
The guy that knows knowledge about bass fishing. But look, let's do this thing. Look, what we're gonna do, we came back here again, and we did all right the last time. Caught a catfish, bass, 2 here and there, but had a good bite. So we're gonna see if we can give it a little longer today and see what happens, you guys. So y'all guys stay tuned. Anything you want to say, Patrick?
Oh, let's get it. It's revenge time, guys.
So you heard him. It's revenge time. We gotta have revenge on this water, man. See what else in this water, okay? So you guys stay tuned. Okay. All right, guys. I'm Clyde Demerell, first time casting adventures.
My name is Patrick with Paul Man's Bassing.
Phenomenal day. It ain't what you expected, you guys. You want to tell them?
Oh man, we had a blast. Stay tuned and check it out. There you go. That's perfect right there. Hold on. One bite.
That real hook do pull it down. So I'm glad I didn't change both of them out.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
I told you. Look at that thing. That's a 2 pound. 2 pounds, 3 ounces.
What?
That's a 2 pound crappie. That's my PB, guys.
Tell me that ain't the biggest crappie I ever seen in North Carolina. Let's get a weight on this guy. Patrick making room in his bag, y'all.
I got too much stuff in here.
I got room you can put in my bag. Okay, zero it out. Let's see what this guy weighs. 1 pound and 15 ounces. Right at 2 pounds.
Right at 2 pounds. That's a 2 pound crab right there.
Look at there, you guys.
Gracious. These guys fighting like bass. Run out of space. Whoa.
Double up, Patrick. Patrick, double up.
I got one too. Wow.
Double it up on crappie, you guys. This is sick.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if we can get you a few more. Oh, got another one. Patrick, I got another one. Patrick, I got another one.
See you, bro.
Let me see if I can keep them down under your line.
That's a no. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, don't worry about it.
Patrick, get ready to go get him.
Wait, what you doing? What you doing?
Patrick, get ready to go in there and go get him. Yeah. Wow. Man, this is crazy, Patrick. Patrick got some, I don't know what color jerkbait Patrick got on. He got a green one like yours. And that striped bass saw that thing, he went at it flying. Wow, this is so crazy. Crappie, we catch a crappie 2 pounds. Patrick.
I know. I gotta retie. He put some abrasion on my line.
These crappie are 2 pounds. The first one I caught was he was 1 pound 15 ounces.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
I know, man. There you go.
GoPro 5, let's go.
There you go. They ain't going nowhere.
I got a nice one. All of them been nice. I ain't telling no story.
Trying to dig in them sticks and stuff. Look at that. Ooh, Patrick. Man.
Hold that one straight, my bad. Hold that one. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, get the big ones. Hold the big ones. Let's do a release on this guy. You're having too much fun. You're having too much fun. Oh, he got off. Man, you're having too much fun. Look. Oh. What in the world is that?
Oh my goodness.
What's that?
That's a crappie.
What?
You got him in the back.
Oh. I just let it drop down and took off.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
this one.
If they don't want that thing, go try it.
Look at there. Man, I'm telling you.
Really nice crappie,
How sick is this, you guys? Catching shad on a lipless crankbait. This is nasty. This is nasty. This is so nasty.
We have caught over, I can't even tell you. We've caught over
Man, over 100. We caught right at 100 crappie.
about 100 crappie, guys. Y'all will never see all the video.
And they're all right at 2 pounds.
All of them are huge. Just like that.
Yeah, he was a fighter. He eating good because he hanging with these. So they actually, all 3 of those species are eating and feeding together. Look at there, guys. I ain't never seen nothing like it. Never seen nothing like it.
Ooh, 5 ounce, guys, are still in there.
Oh no, I gotta wait this again.
2-2.
I gotta wait this again. I gotta wait this one again.
I
Going for a crappie record. That standing record is 2.3?
Yeah, 2.3. Ooh, 5 ounce, guys, are still in there.
Oh no, I gotta wait this again. I gotta wait this again. I gotta wait this one again. I gotta wait again.
I'll take 2-2.
No, sir. Oh, 2-3.
No. It ain't started yet. 2-3, yeah.
I give it 2-3.
It's tied up.
2-3.
Up there again, huh?
Yeah. 2-3. Yeah, I see it. Let's get them back in the water, guys. Swim off, buddy.
They can't even be as shallow. I don't know. Look at that guy.
Nah, he close, but nah.
These are some beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful.
Wow. Good gracious sakes.
Oh yeah. Oh man, it's on the wrong thing. Cheese. There we go. There we go. Wait. It's doing a whole bunch on. It's doing a whole bunch on video.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I can get out the way. Handle your business. Let's go. Let's go, Patrick. It's pretty much a rat form. He just took off with it.
I got another one right here. Look at him. I don't know if y'all ever seen them, but man, look at that.
How in the world? How in the world? He said he ain't seen no pictures. Oh, I just caught one on the lipless crankbait, man. That's all that's
Double up.
You get ready to see what? You get ready to see one right now in a minute. Look at this, man. This is sick.
Ooh, look at something. Hit him in the back real bad.
Yep, something was at him. Probably a guard. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. All right, man. All right, Patrick. In North Carolina. Look at these guys. These are 2 pound. These are 2 pound crappie, guys. Look at this. Using their Rapala jerkbait. Never seen nothing like it. Crappie. Some of the biggest crappie I've ever seen in North Carolina.
Ever seen.
Catching them on the jerkbait, you guys, but we got to end this. We got the bass fish. So this right here is going to be the end of the crappie video. Now it's off to bass. Y'all guys stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Let's go. He came from the side of the mill. Yeah. We have officially caught this for every species. Yeah. Ouch. That's a bass. Oh my goodness. That's a bass. That's a bass.
It's a bass. He's a big bass too.
Whoa.
Come on, stay. Don't come up.
Okay.
Come on. Oh my
Show off to my camera.
Look at that right there, guys. We out here today trying to cleanse change. We catching crappie and striped bass. Oh my goodness. We both broke a PB today.
Had you just caught a daggone